Welcome to Salamander Yoga. Today we are going to go underwater, so let's get ready. First, sit down and put your legs out in front of you. I think we will need some flippers to help us. I said we will need some flippers. I said flippers! Uh-oh, they landed a little far away. Let's stretch out with our hands forward to reach them. Stretch. Further. Grab one of the flippers and put it on your foot. Good job. Now stretch out again. Stretch, stretch, and grab the other flipper and put it on your other foot. Yes! But we should check them and make sure they fit just right. So one last time, stretch out again and touch each flipper. All right, and all right, left. Nice. Next, let's do some special body breathing exercises so that we can prepare to breathe underwater, just like salamanders can. So let's cross our legs and put our hands on our knees. Now remember, this only works right now with animation and our imagination. You would not be able to actually breathe like this in real water. Okay, take a big breath in, and as you do, push your chest forward as your head goes up and your eyes look to the sky. Now slowly breathe out. Bring your head down as you push your back. Good work. Let's do it again. Breathe in, chest forward, head high. Breathe out, head down, lean back. One more time. Breathe in and out. Oh wow, you now have special salamander skin. Nice. It's time to enter the water. So bring your legs close to your body and hug your knees. Scrunch up real tight. Are you super scrunched? Are you? Hey, you look just like a cannonball! Wow, we are underwater and slowly sinking down. You can stand up and move your arms and legs and feel the cool, refreshing liquid on your body. Let's take another deep breath and look at everything around us. I see a turtle and a banana shark and even seahorses. Hi, seahorses. Boom. We've landed on the bottom. Is that a dolphin? It is a dolphin. I wonder if we can be dolphins too. So let's move down to our knees and put our hands together. Now slowly lean forward and rest on your elbows with your linked hands out in front of you. Now move forward, then backwards. Forwards, then backwards. Keep your back straight and keep going. Your body looks just like a real dolphin. Isn't this fun? Oh hey, what's that? Something is emerging from the bottom. Is that a triangle? I didn't know triangles lived underwater. It's getting higher. Let's try and stay out of its way by also making ourselves a triangle. Let your toes touch the ground and slowly push your knees up. Lift your bum high into the air. Disconnect your hands and put your palms out in front of you on the ground. If you can, push up off of your elbows onto your hands as your bum goes even higher. Try to slowly make your arms and legs as straight as possible. Hey, you're a triangle now too. So triangular. Here comes the seahorses again. Oh no, one of the smaller ones is moving away from its family. Let's see if we can gently nudge it back the other direction. So stay in your triangle shape, but lift one leg slowly up into the air. Higher, higher. Try and keep your balance and boop! It worked. Good job. You can move your leg back to the ground. And oh no, there's another runaway tiny seahorse. So slowly lift the other leg in the air. Stay balanced, higher, higher, and boop! You did it! And the triangle is going back underground. That was a lot of work. So let's come down to the ground and lay on our backs as we look up and float upwards and focus on breathing softly. Okay, everyone, the 5-minute yoga break is over. Boop!